I want to skip through some more powers and roots questions so that it gives you a tiny bit more practice to really get quick solutions to this sort of question. Okay, let's start with part A. Negative powers are nothing to do with negative numbers. This simply equals 1 over 2 cubed. 2 cubed is 2 times 2 times 2, so this is an eighth. I can't tell you how many times that question comes up. Well, because this is a divisional fraction and they're both raised to the power of the third, we can make that third split between the top layer and the bottom layer. What does a third mean? A third means the cube root. So this is equal to the cube root of 27 is 3, and the cube root of 343 is 7. Part C. Now we've got a mixture of notations here. We can transform the square root into a fractional power, and that would become 3 over 8 raised to the power of a half. It is then raised to the power of 4. Because we've got multiplying powers, this is simply equal to 3 over 8. 4 times a half is 2. And again, we can split the 2 between the two layers, so this becomes 3 squared over 8 squared. 3 squared is 9, and 8 squared is 64. And those are your answers.